Hello, my name is Greg Reveles. I'm with Dynamics. Today I'm showing you how to properly clean your deck, your wood or composite deck. Right now I'd like to show you how to properly prep your deck for cleaning. Before we wash, there are a few things that we need to do, such as looking over the deck and determining if you have a lot of debris in between the floorboards. You might need to get in there with a thin utensil such as a 5-in-1 painter's tool, maybe an old butter knife. You do that first. The next thing that we want to do is to moisten the deck and get it ready for applying the wood pre-treatment chemical. You want the wood decks to be moist, but you don't want them to have puddling or ponding of water, because then that will prevent the pre-treatment from getting to the wood. I highly recommend, whether you own one or rent one, using a gasoline-powered pressure washer. Now it's time to apply the pre-treatment. I recommend using a powdered, oxygen-based pre-treatment chemical. It's very commonly available under many names. Mix it with warm water. Mix that in a large 5-gallon bucket. Stir it around and set that aside while you're setting up your equipment and doing site assessment. That takes about 20 to 30 minutes for it to dissolve. Once that has happened, you take your pump-up garden sprayer, pour the pre-treat into the pump-up garden sprayer, and that is the way that you'll apply the pre-treatment to your pre-moistened deck. You want to be very generous in your application of the pre-treatment. You want to put it on very heavily. It's an inexpensive product. It's very safe for the environment. It's safe for your bushes. It's a very gentle product. As you apply it, you're going to notice that there's a bit of a foaming action. That's telling you that it's working. For your average deck, you're going to mix about 1/2 to 1 container for about 2.5 to 5 gallons of pre-treat. This should be sufficient to cover almost every deck. The dwell time is about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you're okay to begin the pressure washing with your gasoline-powered pressure washer. We're now done prepping our deck for cleaning. Now let's move on to deck washing.